Okay, so this is another tutorial that about how to use the blue sky. I was toying with it, but how to use the blue sky preset, right? So first, let's add some look overall, fix the overall look to the theme, all right? I think it's good. We have before and after. It's running a bit slow. Not sure why. Okay. So like this. Okay. So we see before, after, before, after. Okay. So the key is to bring back the blue sky, and I have a preset for that. It's called Sky Blue. All right. You press this rectangular thing, and you drag it down. It's okay if you go over the riffs and stuff, and we will erase that later. And, just basically with presets, it's um, it's really hard to understand how a person shoots the photo. So what I usually do is just go in and fix. And even with Jake, whenever he shot every day, it's a little bit different. So I have to constantly just apply the preset and just adjust to how I want it. All right, so I think that's good. You go to brush part of that rectangle thing and click on erase. Should be a little bit bigger. All right. And remember, we don't want to be at 100%. We wanted to like slowly erase it so it kind of naturally blends in. You don't get the sharp edge. Sometimes when I get lazy, I um, just make it really high, and you can really tell in the photos when I didn't really try harder to blend in the edges. But here we're trying very hard. Okay, so let's go back. I don't want to. So if we want to edit the same sky, we just click on this one. So it will tell you the red part. It tells you where your effect is active. And maybe we not contrast. Sorry. Lights. Maybe you wanted to make it a little bit brighter, and that's it. Oh, over there maybe. I'm going back to rectangle. Find a little dot. Usually I like to organize the dot like at a central location, for example, the door or somewhere, so I don't like go everywhere to look for it. Uh-oh, what just happened? Right. If this happens, just click off the image and come back to it. Because sometimes Lightroom likes to do weird things. Do brush, erase, and make it small. Make it. I just want to bring some less bluish color back, because at this corner we don't really get too much clouds or the sky, so we don't want it to be too blue. think that's it. I mean, when I crop the photo, if you have the final image in mind, when you crop the photo, that part will be cropped out anyways. Then just don't spend too much time on the things that you are not going to include in the final shot. That way it saves you time and energy, so you can do other stuff. Right? If you don't like the things up here, you can just use the healing tool to heal it. Generally, I think Photoshop works better, but sometimes this works too. But probably zoom in to fix the little part. Another one here, make it smaller. Oops, why did it go over there? Yeah, Photoshop does work better. Yeah. Right. If you don't want to bring it to Photoshop and you think this is not doing a good job, then just leave it be. And that's it. So sky before, after. Okay.